This is INFINIX Note 12 2023, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So first of all, make sure that your smartphone is connected to Wi-Fi, then launch the Play Store, sign into your Google account if you haven't previously, then at the search bar type in the Opera query. Once the needed app is found, you can start its installation either directly from the search results or open the app page and tap the install button over there. Once the app is ready, you can go ahead and launch it. In here, tap at the blue continue button, then choose whether you would like to set Opera as your default browsing app right off the bat, or you can skip this step. And at this final page, you can either customize the permissions that will be granted to Opera, or simply allow everything that it asks for, and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.